This is one of the top ranked PC cases on Amazon right now. Let's check it out. Oh my God. This is a big box for a micro ATX case. I don't know why it needs to be this big of a box. Hell yeah. Ta-da! Cypress 3. Oh my god, this case is so much tinier. That wasn't the case. Oh my god. Hey! Boom! Oh my god. Plastic is still on it, but this thing looks gorgeous. I was 1 for 2. Okay. This is a very, very clean looking case. I'm gonna get y'all closer so you can see better. The glare is just completely unavoidable, but not to glaze, but that just shows how beautiful and clean this side panel is, all right? Okay, so as you can see on the side right there, there's 1 USB-C, 2 USB 3.0s, and RGB buttons. You can like control the RGB in it, and the power button on the side, which is cool. I like that because most people have their PCs, like including me,
like on the sides, like facing you. So it makes more sense for it to be there than like the traditional on the top.
The front panel, it features walnut wood going down the sides, making this look beautiful, expensive, clean, immaculate, modern, if you will. The back panel, it's pretty plain. Not much to it. The little butt, I don't know what to call this, of the computer. It already comes with a fan installed here on the front. I didn't mention it, but there already is 3 120mm bands installed, which is pretty dope. I cannot wait to do a build in this, like an all black, sleek build. Okay, so as for the quality, this little thing right here is pretty cool. The magnets don't feel cheap. The film, they don't feel bad. I feel like if I wanted to, I could bend it, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't know why anyone would buy this case and intentionally hurt the poor thing. But I will admit the little like polygon shaped areas are definitely very weak. Like you could, if you dropped it, I think it would crack. I will admit, I think it could crack. The side panel looks gorgeous. I'm not gonna peel this off just yet. When I do a build, I will. Okay, let's figure out how to get this panel off. You just slide it. I'm not that dumb. Look at this tiny little thing. Oh my god. Okay, so for the fans, I'm gonna let y'all see the little back fan right here. They feel like pretty standard case fans. They're actually kind of thick, which I think is good. Can push more air. I think that's how the physics works. Then these fans, of course, I'm pretty sure they're the same, but yeah, they feel pretty good. The cables in here feel standard. Like, I really don't think this is like a cheaping out type of case. Like, it feels quality, it feels good. These cables down here do feel pretty thin, which can be a good thing. When you build, you want bendable cables. But yeah, overall, this is a really good case. I believe it's like 70 bucks. I could be wrong. I'm gonna be flashing it right here on the screen. That's how much it costs. So like, I know it's not an expensive case. If you're doing a budget build, I'd go for it. Personally, I had not heard of Okinos until they reached out to me, but next time I do a build, we'll definitely be using this case and definitely be using some power supply cables because I know they sell those too. I really like the quality and I like the price point that they have. I think this might be the new budget brand for PC building. I have to say it. I think they might be.